Hi, my name is Praneeth. Now people must be questioning why Praneeth. But yes, Praneeth, I was born as Praneeth. And then I decided to be Ganga. And that was all my decision. But I think born differently or something like this is a crime, or it's a weird thing in the society which people think. Uh, because whenever you go out, whenever you're walking on the road, or when you are a part of any kind of an event, or anything that goes around, when people look at you, there is a kind of discomfort. uh, I don't know how do I put into words, because there is this thing that you can't be yourself. You have to be what society decides to be. Okay, if today, if I want to dress up like this and go out, or else I want to apply makeup, or lipstick or liner, whatever shit that is, and go out on the road, people think it differently. अरे ये तो साला मिठा है, ये मामू है, अनवांटेडली एग्जेक्टिव्स लग जाते हैं नाम के पीछे. That is what happened to me. Like I said, whenever you are out on the road, or a kind of an event, जब भी कोई देखता है ना, एक अलग नजरिया होता है देखने का. Like, why is he like that? ये ऐसा क्यों है, ये ऐसा क्यों नहीं है, और ये ऐसा क्यों चलता है? But it is my life. This is how I want to be, and this is how I will be forever. Recently, people are talking about, oh God, I'm feeling so depressed because lockdown चल रहा है. I don't know how to deal with it. कितना problem हो रहा है, पता नहीं ये वो this that everything. Understand one thing. We were in lockdown since we were born. बचपन में से ही जैसे पैदा हुए थे वैसे लॉकडाउन में थे. क्वारंटाइन तो तब से ही था. कहीं बाहर नहीं जाना, कहीं किसी के साथ बात नहीं करना, अपने में ही रहना. I think it is kind of a karma for people to understand what we go through. Like 3-4 months, I guess, people are facing lockdown. Or 3-4 months में they are feeling depressed. What about us? We had no choice. ये लॉकडाउन तो खत्म हो जाएगा. What about us? What about our lockdown? Who will think about it? Now it's time. I think गुनाह करने वाले से ज्यादा ना गुनाह सहने वाला सबसे बड़ा गुनहगार होता है. So there have decided to break every single walls and every single stereotype which people think, and that was the thing which I have done. And then I happened to become the first transgender of Marathi television industry. And I feel proud of myself. वो खुशी की बात इस वजह से है, there are my well-wishers, there are people who love me, they will enjoy my success, but I will enjoy the success when the people who bullied me, the people who thought I am nobody and I can't do shit in life, I will be amongst all the transgenders which people have made. कि हाँ, ये ट्रांसजेंडर है, ये ट्रेन में भीख मांगेगा, या सेक्स वर्क करेगा, या किसी के शादी में नाचेगा. No, that is what you people have thought. You people have decided that transgender is this and they are limited for all these things. But there are people like me, and there are so many other Praneeth and so many other Gangas are taking chance now. I am only waiting, and all the other waiting for that one opportunity which you people need to give. Open your hearts and open your arms for every single person like me out there, because they need love, not the hate. Like all say, love is love, so spread the love. And yes, I love myself for whoever I am, and now it is me, okay?